Okay, girls and boys, time for language arts. And of course, we got our shared reading books. There you go. And yeah, we're on page 22. Let's do it. Okay, now I'll just hold mine up like this. You've got yours. And of course, I look at the picture as well as the title, and it says Day or Night. It was a song by Frank Sinatra called that, Day or Night, Night or Day. Anyway, the picture, it's interesting because is that the sun? Wow, it looks dark, and yet that's the sun. I don't know what to say about that. Maybe it's someplace like, I don't know, Alaska? Anyway, you've got your book. Let's get ready to read. Day or night, when I say zero, it is time to read, and you know that. 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the difference between day and night? In many places, the answer is simple. Day is light. Night is dark. Yeah, like where we live. Obviously, if it's dark, I mean really dark, it's night. If it's light, it's day. But I got a feeling that in some parts of the world, that's not true. Let's see. And I'm pretty sure I'm right because I've read about this. Okay, and it says 3, 2, 1, 0, go. However, in some places near the North Pole, you know that where that's at, the answer is not so clear. One day each fall, the sun sets. Then it doesn't rise again for about 8 weeks. It stays dark all day and all night. Wow, so that means if it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, it's still dark because the sun is not visible. Weird. Okay, now let's see what else it says here. The opposite happens each spring. One day, the sun rises. It doesn't set for 11 weeks. Wow, I'll be doggone. That's almost 3 months. Can you imagine having 3 months where the sun doesn't set and it's there in the sky? We can see it in the sky for almost 3 months. That's odd. Now, you learned something new maybe. And as you can see from this, it looks like that's what it's talking about, where the sun is there. Although it's kind of odd because it's dark here and yet you still see the sun. That's interesting. Now this I'm going to presume is Alaska because there are no trees where the North Pole is in the Arctic. So this kind of applies to parts of Alaska too. I've heard about that where it remains, day for like 12 months almost and then night for almost 12 months. Really bizarre. Anyway, now what does it say at the bottom? You can see it, yours in the bottom. It says, circle a word that has the same Y sound as busy. And it's not buzzy, it's busy. So, again, yours has it, but there it is right there at the bottom. Circle a word that has the same E sound as busy. Well, let's see. Is it over here? Oh, I do see it. Whoa. I think I see it more than once. But where do you see it in the first place? Well, let's put it this way. Where do you see it? I see it right here. Men-e. Okay? Now, men-e, the Y goes E. Now, I know that in day, it also goes E, but that's because you combine the A and the Y. That's called a diphthong. A-E, A. So it's not just the Y doing it by itself. So we're not really going to circle those. Yes, I know that it's day, okay, but the thing is, it's the AY that makes the sound, not just, whatchamacallit, the Y. So, I mean, busy, many, day is a little bit different. So we're not going to do that. Now, on this side, let's see. I see day, but we're not going to use that one. That's really confusing. I see a day again. Yeah, so for me, boys and girls, it's just basically many, like many days, many nights, many polyester shirts. At the bottom, underline a word that is the opposite of question. Come on, that should be an easy one. Oh, it's on this page. Okay, guess what? I'm gonna give you seriously 7 seconds to find it. It's the opposite of question, just the way night is the opposite of day, at least for most of us. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the opposite of question, boys and girls? It is answer. Let's go. It's right there. Okay? I'm going to do it right there. The answer is blowing in the wind. There you go. Answer. Now, as always, we got a question. You will copy it either now or you can go back and copy it. Don't forget your drawing. What does it say? Come on. Would you like a day that lasted for 11 hours and why? Now, I could have said, would you like a night that lasted for 11 hours? But whatever, I just said day. So would you like a day that lasted or lasts, we could say also, for 11 hours and why? And don't just put, because, no, tell us, I would or I wouldn't. Then say, because whatever your answer is. Yes, I would because blank, blank, blank. No, I wouldn't because blank, blank, blank. Okay, it's pretty easy. So again, you can just stop it right now if you want, copy it, or you can just go back after you've seen this and just do your thing, no problem. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. So my father was in Alaska. That was during wartime. It was in May, I think. No, was it March? I can't remember right now. Anyways, it seems like it was in spring, at least early spring, if I remember. And I don't recall if he told me if it was like, all, day for almost endlessly day. I don't remember if he mentioned that, but he probably did see that. And again, was it in May? I think it was in May. But anyway, so he may have seen that. It's possible. Okay, boys and girls, don't forget this is your how can I say, assignment, like a secret agent. You're supposed to go ahead and copy that, answer it, and of course do a question. So anyway, I'll see you later because we've got more videos and we got something else going today too. Yeah, definitely on video. Something else, yeah. And there goes the honking. And no, there's no more honking, please. Anyway, okay, that's your assignment. Do it well. Bye.